Binance finalizes Gopax acquisition after 2-year regulatory delay. Binance. Regulation. South Korea. The approval follows Binance's $4.3 billion U.S. settlement, which eased South Korea's AML concerns. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 9 hours ago. Binance has officially completed its acquisition of South Korean crypto exchange Gopax, marking its return to the country's market after a 2-year regulatory holdup. Key takeaways. Binance has received final regulatory approval to complete its acquisition of South Korean exchange Gopax after a 2-year delay. The approval follows Binance's $4.3 billion U.S. settlement, which eased South Korea's AML concerns. The acquisition allows Binance to re-enter South Korea's market and resolve Gopax's $47 million liquidity crisis. The move comes after South Korea's Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, approved changes in Gopax's executive structure. According to a report by local outlet MK, Gopax filed ownership change request after Binance takeover in 2023. Gopax first submitted its request in February 2023, shortly after Binance secured a 67% majority stake in the platform. However, the approval faced repeated delays as regulators cited concerns over anti-money laundering, AML, compliance, particularly following Binance's legal battles in the United States. In 2023, Binance faced lawsuits from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the Department of Justice for unregistered operations and AML violations. The exchange later reached a settlement, paying $4.3 billion in penalties and implementing stricter compliance measures. Observers believe that this resolution played a key role in easing South Korea's regulatory hesitations. The FIU's approval now paves the way for Binance's re-entry into the Korean market, which it exited in 2021 amid tightening crypto rules. Gopax is one of only 5 domestic exchanges permitted to handle cash-to-crypto transactions, a regulatory status that requires robust KYC and AML systems. The acquisition also ties back to Gopax's 2023 liquidity crisis. The exchange faced severe withdrawal issues when its DeFi partner, Genesis Global Capital, halted withdrawals and later filed for bankruptcy following the FTX collapse. Roughly $47 million in customer funds tied to Gopax's GoFi deposit product were frozen as a result. Binance's takeover was initially framed as a rescue effort, with the company pledging to inject funds and help affected users recover their losses. With regulatory approval finally granted, Binance appears ready to restore operations and rebuild investor trust in South Korea's tightly regulated crypto landscape. As reported earlier this week, South Korean regulators reopened their review of Binance's acquisition of Gopax, suggesting that the world's largest crypto exchange could soon re-enter the country. South Korea orders crypto exchanges to halt lending services. In August, South Korea's financial regulator moved to rein in risky lending practices in the digital asset sector, ordering local exchanges to suspend all crypto lending services until a proper regulatory framework is established. The crackdown came amid South Korea's broader pivot toward regulated crypto adoption. Authorities are lifting restrictions on institutional trading and preparing to approve the country's first spot crypto ETFs. President Lee Jae-myung's administration is also working on a stablecoin framework pegged to the Korean won, signaling a more open approach to digital finance despite the latest curbs. More recently, Dunamu, the operator of South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange Upbit, unveiled a new custody service aimed at corporate and institutional clients, as regulatory green lights for virtual asset investments spark growing demand for secure storage solutions. The service stores all deposited digital assets in cold wallets, entirely offline and insulated from internet-based threats, to shield holdings from cyberattacks and other external breaches. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. SEC filings hint at imminent ETF launch. Is this XRP's moment to hit $1,000? XRP price prediction. $63 million whale dump hits Binance, but smart money is already buying the dip XRP price prediction. Ripple's Swell 2025 event could change everything. 3-week countdown begins now. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, Pepe by the end of 2025. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech tomorrow could trigger a crypto market crash. Here's what to expect. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? October 14, 2025. 2 days ago. By Seed Fadil Pazik. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Big buyers are back after the crash. Explosive rally is starting now. 2 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Bitcoin news. Trump insider whale who made $160 million from BTC crash is building massive shorts again. Another meltdown ahead? 2 days ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 hour ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 hour ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 hour ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 8 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.